Uh-oh. This already looks very lovely. These are the elevators of the Hyatt Place in Westbury. KONE maintains. Interesting how it dings before. Oh, are you bringing that in? Oh, you got a view out here. There's some more stuff I have to tackle. There's a red roof over there. There's a building over there. There's a building over there. And there's a parking deck over there with a 330A. So there's still a few things I have to check out. Oh, it's here. It's convenient. Wow, the service doors only go from two to 1. They're already pretty beat up, at least on the panels. The cabins are nice though. I don't know how I feel about this. These are beautiful. Like half the buttons are like already replaced. Look at the mismatched buttons on this. This is really funny. Yeah, I've had enough of these. I like the indicators. They're like angled. Yeah, these are cool. I like these. All right, that's it.